sound, happiness all around. It's celebration time. Let's all sing and shout in this moment so fine. It's celebration time, hearts and hands on.
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the constitutions of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and NUJ.
Stars all around, feel the magic found. In each laugh and cheer, no place for fear. Together we're strong, nothing can go wrong. It's celebration.
To reaffirm our collective commitment to uphold the principles enshrined in the NUJ Constitution. Our administration will be anchored on justice, fairness, transparency, and accountability. These will be our guiding lights as we steer the affairs of our union toward a greater heights. Ladies and gentlemen, the new NUJ Council under my leadership is committed to the realization of a clear and focused vision